Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes like IHOP. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. Combine the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet ingredients in another. This separation helps create a smooth, lump-free batter. Remember, fresh ingredients make a noticeable difference in flavor and texture. We're aiming for that signature fluffy, golden brown pancake. Now let's get that batter just right. After whisking your dry ingredients, gently combine your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. The key is to avoid overmixing. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually contribute to a lighter pancake. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to tough pancakes. We want them tender and airy, just like your favorite diner. It's time to cook these beauties. Preheat your griddle to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A properly heated griddle is crucial for even cooking and that beautiful golden brown finish. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Look for bubbles forming on the surface and edges setting before flipping. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are ready. Stack them high and add your favorite syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. For an even fluffier result, try letting your batter rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the gluten to relax and the leavening agents to activate fully. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade IHOP-style breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.